Hi, I'm Katie with SHEFIT, and this is your moment of calm. Here at SHEFIT, we are all about support. So we've created 12 episodes of yoga and tips on how to break and find that little moment of calm in your day. Today we're going to work on a few more poses, building on what we did last time. We'll start in supported stance. So supported stance is feet about hip width distance apart. Engage your thighs. Find the support of your belly. Pull your hip points up, belly in. Arms, roll them up, back, and down. Take a big breath in. Blow it all out. Inhale your arms all the way up to the sky. Bow forward. Lift up halfway. You can bring your hands to your shins. Bow forward. Rise up again, big breath. Reach, reach, reach. Bow forward. Lift up halfway. Step back, high plank, top of a push-up. For this first round, drop your knees. Dropping your knees is always an option. Shift a little bit forward. Bend your elbows. This is chaturanga. Come all the way down to your belly. Keep your hands right at your sides. Just lift your chest up for cobra. A little bit of a back bend, starting to wake things up. Come all the way back down. Upward facing dog. Lift your thighs up, building onto cobra. Downward facing dog. Stay here in your down dog. Just breathe in, breathe out. Good. And then lift your heels up. Bend your knees, look towards the top of your mat. Hop or step. Halfway lift, get a long, flat, strong back. Bow forward. Rise, reach all the way up. Good. Bow forward. Halfway lift and lengthen your spine. High plank, step back. This time you have the option to leave your legs up. Keep that support in your belly so you're not dipping down. Really good. Now shift forward. Chaturanga, a little lower. Perfect. Up dog, wide open in your chest. Downward facing dog. Take it back. Good. Get a big breath in. Blow it out. Fill up. Reach long through your arms and blow that out. Nice. Lift your heels. Bend your knees. Look where you're going. Jump, hop, step, top of your mat. Halfway lift. Bow, get it out. Rise up, reach up. Look up here, big full breath. Bow forward. Halfway lift. High plank, step back, top of a push-up. Come a little bit forward. Chaturanga, low plank. Upward facing dog, big breath. Downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Blow it out. Lift your heels up. Bend your knees, look forward. Go. Halfway lift. Bow. Rise up one more time. Find your supported stance. Really good job. And your hands together in front of your heart. Just like we end every practice, every class. In support of each other, together we say, Namaste. Thanks for watching. This has been Katie with SHEFIT, and this has been a moment of calm.